Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Clanwilliam Lake, a peaceful spot tucked away in the mountains of British Columbia. This lake is surrounded by forests and rolling hills, making it a favorite place for camping, fishing, and paddling. The history of the area goes back many centuries, with Indigenous peoples using the land and waters long before settlers arrived. Today, the lake feels far removed from busy city life and offers a quiet retreat in nature. Visitors often come here to enjoy the still water, watch for wildlife, and take in the fresh mountain air. Whether you are here for a short visit or a long stay, Clanwilliam Lake is sure to leave you with lasting memories.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us on this tour of Clanwilliam Lake, British Columbia. Thanks for watching!